What's up, guys? We are starting this one at the gas station. 1987 Monte Carlo, man. Oh, I know it's not done already. I know this is really like a 12-gallon tank. I don't think it's done that easy, man. I don't think it's done that easy. But furthermore, man, we got to go up to Harley today. I want to go check out the new 2024 Harley Davidsons. I want to see if any Harley in town has got those suckers. I think it actually is full. So like I said, man, you never know when this thing is like really, really full because you just got to wait a little bit, man. So we're going to wait a little bit, let it die down, and keep on going. Okay, I know we got a good 6 gallons, man, so I think that's gonna be good for now. Let's hop up in this thing and get up out of here. All right, man, we sliding and gliding right now in this Monte Carlo. I ain't gonna hold you. This thing flow through traffic so much easier and better now. It's like, you know, when they see you coming, it's like the president coming. Everybody wanna see the 1987 Monte Carlo, man, especially on them gold rims. It stands out a whole lot. But furthermore, man, we are on our way to get some quick breakfast real quick because, you know, Harley don't open until they wanna open, man. So I gotta go kill some time. But let's see what we can get to eat, get to grub, and we'll see what's up, man. Y'all stay tuned. We just pulled up to the Sunrise House, man. It's time to go up. If you're anywhere in the Houston area, y'all know this is probably one of the best little morning spots you can freaking try out, man. So let's try it out with your boy. Alrighty, guys. Oh my Lord. Look at how we coming, man. So today, you guys know I kind of come here like every other day, but today I went kind of light. Breakfast continental. And then I went with like the McGriddle stuff. I forget what this is called, but if you guys just show them this video, they'll know exactly what you guys want to get. But we about to throw down, then we about to go to Harley and look at that motorcycle. I can't wait. Alrighty, guys, man. Airport after airport, man. Yesterday, we was riding around in the Monte Carlo yesterday trying to find one of those CVO ST road glides, but unfortunately, we couldn't find none in the city. And literally today, when I was getting on the plane, it was like, yeah, buddy, we got the truck coming in at 9 o'clock. So if you want to come on down, come on down. Moral of the story is, got on a flight, wasn't able to check out none of the Road Glide STs or none of the new Harley 2024 models. So with that being said, we're definitely in Vegas, about to go check out some of the new models. Not only that, we're actually going to go see if we can score another old school car. You guys know where we started at. We had the public auction when we first started doing this stuff, and they got something up there that I'm kind of looking at, man. So y'all stay tuned. I can't wait, man. Let's hop up in here and get right to the auction and see what they got for us, man. Let's see what's going on. Alrighty, guys, we done finally made it to the auction, the tow truck company. I literally forgot the name of it. I was looking up a whole nother name, but we are here about to check it out. You guys are about to finally get to see what I flew way out here to see, man. So can't wait. Guys, haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get it in, man. All right, man, we are finally on the grounds. I'm not gonna hold you. It's about to be a movie, man. I'm trying to see this El Camino. I don't want to see nothing else that they got. I don't want to see nothing else that they got, man. Nothing else that they got. So is this mine right here or what, man? 1984? Hey, my brother from another mother. What's up, man? Red, what's up? Good seeing you, man.
Price. Is it the initial? Is it
Red, where you been at? I'm here with my guy, man. It's been so freaking long, man. How you been?
Hey, we're at the auction. We're 3975 West Hacienda. Guess where we're at? Hello.
Come on,
Las
man.
Vegas. Thinking about Vegas. Thinking about Vegas. Thinking about Super Bowl.
It's a movie, man. Let's
thinking
get it.
about Super Bowl.
and Las Vegans.
Come on,
Las
man.
Vegans too. Not me, but you know, we're trying to get everyone out here.
Alrighty, guys. So this is what we came to see, man. I done flew out here just for this ride right here.
Straight up.
I just got off the plane.
Well,
We'll
this is
see.
the one that attracted me.
We'll see.
I don't even have a car.
So
I don't
look,
know
check
about
it out.
cars.
We got, this is the one you like, huh? This is a 1984 El Camino. I just bought a 1987 literally 2 weeks ago. I'll show you.
So you're
mine.
hitting the old school stuff.
Yeah, I got a 87 Monte Carlo right now. I'll show you the El Camino that I got. I just.
Are you
Are
buying
you a
it?
car collector? Kinda.
He's a
necessarily.
walking car
He's a-
guy.
I just got that one 2 weeks ago.
Oh, wow. Cool.
Nice.
Yeah.
Auction?
Nice.
I got it from out here. My buddy actually gave me a good deal on it. Look, 1984 Chevy El Camino, the Big Daddy for the Big Daddy. Now, if we just take a quick look around it, man, you guys know I just scored the El Camino, and that's great and all. This paint is actually better than the paint on my Elco, but it looks like we have some wheel wood, some NOS, some this and that. It's got a whole freaking swap on the inside, literally. If we take a look at the inside, it's got nothing stock in here. It's like seats from like a GTO, looks like. Yeah, this whole car is like from a GTO. That's insane. The whole interior is from a GTO. Got the cool little steering wheel. Now, of course, we got some cracks and stuff on the dash up there, but no big deal. No big deal, man. So, like I said, on the back, we have the race wheels. Now, if we look a little closer, I was trying to see if we had like some brakes back there, but it looks like it's stock brakes back there. We'll see what we can do. Like I say, if we scored at a decent price, then I'm with it. But being that we just grabbed one, I'm kind of like,
Bro, is that fiberglass or steel?
Fiberglass.
Oh, this is steel.
You sure?
This the Big Daddy. Go ahead.
It sounds different.
It's probably the hood. He probably changed the hood and stuff out, but this whole car is metal. But yeah,
I mean, if you're not,
y'all see what's going on. I'm not gonna hold you.
No.
I'm sure. Look at this. Really, really clean ride. I ain't gonna hold you. Really clean ride. We'll see how it goes. Now, let's see. This is what I really wanted to see. Excuse me, my brothers. Woohoo! So you have a LS engine in here. Whole complete LS swap with the oohs and the ahs. It's kind of like a spider web under here, but they already got it.
It's not a repo auction, it's an impound auction.
They already got it pretty much ready to go for us, so it shouldn't be too much. It shouldn't be too crazy. I ain't gonna hold you. Shouldn't be too crazy, but already LS'd out the game. You got the freaking lights. Upgraded lights. Got the nice cool bumper. Let me see. It's even got the lower part down here, so that's cool.
It's extra custom. This is extra custom.
Yeah, they took a motor out of a GTO and put it in here.
What size motor is it?
This is it's got to be. Let's see.
400.
No, it's a LS, but we got to see which LS it is. Let's see.
5,000 and 10,000. No joke. I mean, don't you see all the custom pieces and like stuff? Because the fact is, they didn't make pieces like this colored. I don't know shit about
853
cars,
heads.
but look at this. This is a purple piece. Why we got a purple frame in a car? Cars used to always be black, silver, and white.
Well, we're about to find out what kind of motor
this is nice. No, this
car
is. I
comes
can
on.
tell myself this is nice. I don't know anything about cars. This is real.
Let's see.
Nice.
So the
Like,
heads on it say
This
853.
is super nice.
If
You
they,
can tell. You can tell.
hey Gerard.
Yes.
Hey, so I'm looking at an Elco right now. It's got the LS swap on it. If the heads say 853, what kind of motor usually do that come out of?
Hold on. Yeah, say what?
853.
853, those 53.
Oh, okay, it's a 5.3 swap. Okay, bet for sure.
Yeah, no, this is
5.3.
Yeah. All right, cool. I'll let you know in a second. I'll hit you right back. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Yes, I am at the Chevy dealer. No, I am not looking at another truck to get, man. We have been without our 2020 C8 Corvette for the longest, man. Like literally for the longest. You guys know I brought it out to the West Coast. And as soon as we brought it out here to good old Los Angeles, California, somebody then smacked the back of me, man. You know, in them LA streets, man, you always got to be careful, man. But I guess it really wasn't on me. It was the person behind me, man. So with that being said, man, our car has been inside of the collision center for like 3 months now, man. 3 whole months, and I kind of miss my car, man. So I'm like, since I'm over here, I might as well go ahead and stop by and see what's the update on our ride, man. I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. It's time to go up. It's time to go yay. I'm gonna update y'all in a second, man. Let's get this show on the road. All right, man. So y'all know I have to pull up on my dog Frankie, man. So tell them how long it's been, because they don't even really, they not believing me, man. They thought I gave it away. They thought I sold it.
Ah, man, it's a problem with these C8 trying to get parts. You know, everything's on back order for them. It's because they're too busy trying to focus on producing more of them.
You're right. They're not even trying to.
Z06, I kind of backtracked of them making parts for the regular C8s.
Oh wow.
So they're just focusing on producing more cars instead of the parts.
Instead of the parts, man. So we're waiting right now, y'all.
Yeah.
We doing a whole lot of waiting. It's been about a good, what, 3 months?
Yeah, 3 months already.
3 months, bro.
And you gotta let them know about that special Corsa exhaust.
Yeah, so 3 months we've been waiting on the parts. Oh my goodness, I haven't seen this thing in so long. Wow, this is crazy. Man, so we've been waiting on a lot of parts, but we've been mainly waiting on the Corsa exhaust. You guys know I got aftermarket exhaust, so I haven't seen it in months, so I'll let you guys see it here with me. Let's check it out together, man. Here we are, 2020 C8 Corvette. Man, I have not seen this thing in forever. I'm like, literally got me smiling right now. This thing is freaking sick. Does look pretty good. I ain't gonna hold you. I can't wait to dry this thing again. I might as well just leave it without the bumper and just fucking take it like that. Make it a race car now, man. Make it a race car. So
you could do what the Lambo does, where they do that whole exhaust.
Oh yeah, huh? We can do the whole center mount exhaust. That'd be sick, man. We got some stuff we could do, man. Come on. All right, bet. So we've been waiting on this tub. This was the main thing that had to get replaced, right?
Yeah, the tub. So it's 2 of them.
Oh, okay, so it's a 2-piece. Okay, got you.
So that's the whole bottom.
Yeah, so when they hit the back of the car, as you guys see, my exhaust is like totally shot, man. Totally shot. But oh dang, yeah, it is kind of ripped up there. But all in all, we're just waiting on exhaust now, and everything else should be cool. Appreciate it. Should be good to go. Man, this thing is crazy. Let's see if it's open.
Let me see if they have the key.
Okay, bet. Dang, guys, this is crazy. I ain't gonna hold you. This thing is so freaking dirty right now, and I need this thing cleaned up. I can't wait. All right, man, so the exhaust people said February, man. So we about to get on their ass and see if they can get the exhaust for our C8 Corvette, because it's been so long, man. It's been 3 full months, and I want to see this thing back in the southern streets, back riding and sliding, man. I can't wait, man. Y'all let me know if y'all missed the Corvette in the comments below. I swear it's been so freaking long. It's been so freaking long. Man, it could use a good wash, man. I might send a detailer up here just to wash it real quick, man. Look at y'all, the peanut butter insides and all that. Oh my goodness.
And if you want that, I got a motor detailer.
Oh, matter of fact, I might have some papers in here that I've been looking for. I ain't gonna hold you. Let's see. Nope. Not in here. All right, man. So you got a few other Corvettes back here, huh?
Yeah, a few other ones.
Dang, they waiting on parts too?
Waiting on parts. I got one that was here before yours and the other one.
Oh, before mine?
Yeah, that's been already here for like about 5 months.
5 months is insane. Oh my gosh, Chevrolet. Come on, man. Let's get these parts together because we want to enjoy our Corvettes that we paid good money for, man. We paid good money for these Corvettes, and we just need these parts right back, quick, fast, and in a hurry, man. So please send a collision center some parts, man. Let's see what we got back here. Oh dang, I missed it. Well, I'm glad we got our tubs for ours, man. So what, she must needed a whole different section then, huh?
Well, she needed like some rails, tubs, so she needs a lot.
So
of
hopefully her parts is not is almost here. Feels like it should be.
They already in the process to ship the last parts.
Oh, okay, got you. So hey, if you're watching this video, your Corvette is about to be up next to get done. Let's keep our fingers crossed. I'm gonna send you some luck and some hope and all the good stuff above, man. Y'all know what time it is. We here with my guy, getting it in. Hopefully our Corvette is done before the month of February. I'm gonna give it about a good 30 days before I go and craft some exhaust myself. I'm gonna learn how to weld this month. So if we don't get it by the end of the month, I'm gonna weld my own exhaust on there, and we just gonna figure it out later. But y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all stay tuned. Until next time, I will catch you guys on the next one, man.